everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It is Katrina. Let me put this TV on mute real quick. So, I wanted to talk to you today about my haul. And I have like 6 hauls today, but I'm going to have to do them one at a time or in parts because I do have quite a few things to go over. Alright, but one of the first things I want to talk to you about is when you're getting your items or you're trying to get affordable items, don't count out Facebook Marketplace. Definitely go there and look for items that will serve you and serve your purpose to help you build your business in an affordable way. Because I'm not rich, so but I want to be one day. Alright, so this is not Bath and Body Works, y'all. But this is the bag that I got when I went on Facebook Marketplace. And I'm going to show you what I found because I think this was a steal. Okay. So what I got, I'm going to move this bag. Well, no, I'm not. I'm going to take these out of the bag and just show you what I got. Alright. These are baskets. Alright. And they are the cutest little baskets. Alright. They are black. Alright. And these I can use for a couple of different things that I have in mind. Alright. I'm going to be using these baskets as bereavement baskets, as well as for my men's Father's Day gifts. Alright, because they are just perfect for it. I got these off of Facebook Marketplace. Very good deal. I got 8 of them, because that's all she had was 8. And I got them for $10. Alright, so that's about $1.25. Same thing they would cost if you got them at Dollar Tree. And these are in mint condition. They are perfect. There's nothing wrong with any of them. Perfect little baskets. So just remember, when you go to buy items to make your baskets with, check Facebook Marketplace because there are definitely some good buys there. And this was an excellent buy. I am very excited about this today. Alright, so until the next video, you guys tune in. Make sure you're shopping smart. And, you know, I'm not saying buy a whole bunch of used items, but I am saying if you find a used item that looks new, there's absolutely nothing wrong with using it. And so I'm going to be using these baskets, which were $1.25 each, to make gifts with. And I think that these are perfect to make small, beautiful gifts with. So I can't wait to make those and show you what I decide to come up with. I do have not a lot, but I do have some men's products left over from Valentine's Day that I have taken out of the bags already. So they will be perfect for these to go in my Father's Day baskets, along with those black wallets that I got, as well as some other things. So make sure you check out the Facebook Marketplace. Like I said, I am very, very happy with this purchase. It was a steal. I got 8 of these for $10. You're not going to find these at the Dollar Tree. These are much nicer than Dollar Tree, actually. And I say a steal because I probably would have wanted $20 for these had I just been selling these baskets, simply because they're that nice. Alright, so don't count out the Facebook Marketplace. Make sure you scroll, you know, put your what you're searching for in the search bar, and see what comes up. I just did a search for baskets, and these came up. There's some other ones too that were wire baskets. I have not heard back from that seller yet. So I don't know if those are still available or not, but they are very, very nice too. These were metal wire baskets that they're really nice on the pictures. Now, I don't know about in person, but we'll find out. But anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below whether or not you think this is a good buy and you like these baskets. All right, until the next video, see you then. Bye-bye.